What slate?
Wow.
I'll take that off after. I'll do photos.
It's just a...
No? You'll see.
Oh, there we go.
I
got it.
So then all you're going to do is you're going to look at the bottom of your jetpack. Sometimes people pull it forward. You can see the blue grommet on the bottom. Can you see the blue grommet on the bottom there? So I do this.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And then I'm going to line it up in that opening. Yeah. So basically how this works is right here, there are like two little teeth marks. Yeah, right? So this is just doing this, and it's holding your jetpack in. So as long as you can get underneath those bars, and then you just put your pillow tops back on. Please note these are not considered seats. Doesn't matter how itty bitty you are.